Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel, guys. Yes, it has been, as you saw my video earlier this week, that chapter's concluded. The blue car is gone, and I've been going through some other stuff here at the house and just sorting out what I'm going to be doing here in the near future. Well, the future came pretty quick. As many of you know, or as some of you know, a few years back I did build a SN95 Cobra with a coyote swab, project Re-fang. You can check up here for some of the listings on my old videos. But I ended up selling that car to getting my house. It helped me towards the down payment of my house, so I figured it was the adult thing to do. As of right now, like I said, the blue car's gone. I had a substantial amount of money in my hand after paying everything off. So I was like, well, I'm just gonna go spelunk around. And well, as I spelunked around, I found some stuff, called out a few cars, and then I came across one that caught my eye. In fact, she caught my eye. Yes, guys, Project Re-fang is home. Took me a little bit of digging, found the owner. Actually, the owner's son contacted me about the questions about it, and here she is. She's home a few months later. But yeah, guys, not much has changed since it left me. Boosted 931, had the car resprayed. He did change out the wheels and put the chrome ceilings on here. I'm probably gonna let them ride for now because they got really good tires still on them. Then RJ sold it to the gentleman I bought it from, Tyrone. I appreciate it, man. I'm glad to have this car back home. But she's back home. Still got the Gen 1 Coyote swap. Still got the T45 Cobra spec in there. Still on. Everything is identical. He has not. The gentleman did not change a thing. It still has the same Kenwood radio in it. I mean, it's crazy. And he said him and his wife have road tripped this car several times to Illinois, to Florida. And he said that whenever he done the math on fuel mileage, the car was knocking off 26 miles to the gallon with 410 gears. That to me is kind of amazing. And the only thing he did have to change on the car, he said both the corner lights that were in the car, something happened with them, and he couldn't find replacement, so he put just new corner lights in it. Same thing with the fog lights. I've got a trick up my sleeve for those this year. Got fresh window tint on it, looking pretty. Still got my big 3-inch tailpipes on there, and still has the exports I waited almost 4 months for from Saudi Arabia. I'm glad those are still on there. He said he had several people try to buy them off him at like whenever he was driving around at meets and stuff like that. Several people were trying to buy it off him. I'm glad he didn't sell it, or didn't sell them. Still has the same OG amp research fuel door that I cleaned and repolished before I sold the car. Like I said, I can't open the doors right now. I got to get somebody to crawl in, but you can still see, I mean, the interior's still all nice and minty fresh, everything like that. The only thing I do have to do, which I've already called, steering wheel is going to be sent off here in a couple weeks to get completely re-leathered. So basically this car will be completely done, except for maybe unless I want to put like a T56 Magnum in here, or maybe build me a 321 and keep it NA and maybe put it on E85. But like I said, guys, Re-fang is home. I'm going to be getting it registered this week. I'm debating between an antique tag and a custom tag. More like I'm going to lead towards a custom tag. I've already got my insurance done through Haggerty. Amazing price, amazing coverage. So shout out to them. And yeah, I got a little bit of maintenance to do to the car. I got to adjust the clutch. I got a back brake over there on the passenger side. One of the pads is about completely wore out, so I'm sure the caliper probably was hanging a little bit, so I got to do a little work to it. But I'm just glad to have it back home. And you know what the great thing is? No car payment at all. This car is bought clean and clear. I have no car payment at all on this, so I'm gonna be doing myself money ahead for the economy we're in right now. It's gonna be awesome. But anyway, guys, just I was gonna make you a big long elaborate video, and I ain't gonna lie, yesterday I left my house at 3 in the morning. Saturday morning I left at 3 a.m. to Atlanta, Georgia. Between traffic, wrecks, and everything like that, I didn't make it in time, and the gentleman had to go do already had made plans with for family stuff. So needless to say, me and Martin, my former stepson, we spelunked around Atlanta, went to a few different places, ate a few different places. Great time. Finally got the car and finally rolled in last night. I crawled in bed this morning at 4 a.m. and it is noon right now. So yeah, I'm the reason why I got glasses on. I want you to see all these bags underneath my eyes. But anyway, guys, stay tuned. I got some friends gonna come out here. We're gonna get this car off the trailer, get it on the ground. I gotta clean out the garage and get it in the garage so I can start going through a couple things before I start driving it. But like I said, guys, stay tuned. Re-fang is home. This is gonna be awesome. Peace.